Okay, we've got a bag containing 20 balls, red, blue or green. Takes a ball at random, replaces it, does it 20 times. 8 of the balls are red, and she says there are 8 red balls in the bag. Explain why she may be wrong, and basically she might pick the same red ball more than once. And now Dan takes a ball at random from the bag. He notes its colour and replaces it. He does it 120 times. Those are his results. And we know there's still 20 balls in the bag. 66 out of 120, that's just over half of them are red. So you're expecting just over 10, so probably 11, possibly 12, are going to be red. Quite a lot of blue, not very many are green. We do know that red, blue, green, these must add up to 20. And knowing some of those sort of things before we start working it out often helps. But we've got here the probability of getting a red. The estimate for the probability will be 66 out of 120. And that's a fraction, and we want to know what that fraction is of the 20 balls. So to do that, we'll times by 20. And you can either do 66 divided by 120 times by 20, or you could do 20 divided by 120, which finds you 120th, and then times that by 66. Either way, it's how you want to work out your fractions. This bit gives you 11, and so there are 11 red balls. This one here will be 47 out of 120. That's the fraction. Got to work it, times it by 20 to find out the fraction of the 20 which are blue, and that comes to 7.8333. We'll have to round that because we can't get 7.8 balls. And the green will be 7 out of 120 of the 20 balls, and that comes to 1.1666, etc. And so this one here, we're obviously going to round up, so not have 7.8, we'll have 8, and this one we'll round down to 1. And just to check that we've got 20 balls in there, 11 and 8 is 19, plus the 1 makes 20. I'm happy with that, it looks good, and very few are green, That's going to be right. But trying to think about the actual question is always going to help you. And that's 3 done.